What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. The kind people over at Supcase was kind enough to send me over the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra UV Grip MagSafe phone case. This is the dark green color. This case will currently run you $27.99 plus tax, but this also comes in 4 different colors, so you can get it in the dark green, is which is the one they sent me over. You also can get it in the all black. You also get the desert, which that looks dope right there. I'm gonna show you that one real quick. That one really looks good. I'm really not a green fan, but it is what it is. And you also can get it in the metallic red, but let's go back to the green. So pretty much you just slap your S25 Ultra in lights. And once again, Supcase makes some nice, stunning, hard, protective cases, so you don't have to worry about them damaging your phone or your phone getting damaged when it drops, because these are some nice rugged cases. So you do get a nice lip for drop protection. Just make sure you throw a screen protector on if you want to be even more protective like me. I have a screen protector on, but like I said, you do get a nice lip. On this side, you do get some colored buttons, so those buttons are green. So this is your volume. Let me get into my phone. This is your volume up button, nice and clicky. Volume down button, nice and clicky, no problem. Power button, it's nice and clicky also. Coming down here to the bottom, you do get a lanyard loop. If that's something that you're into, you get your lanyard loop. Then you also get access to your USB-C charging cable and your S Pen cutout, which you can get in there real good, no problem. You do get the ridges, and I love when companies put ridges on their cases, so you don't have to worry about the phone slipping, sliding out of your hand. You do get some feet. I call these feet. So if you drop the phone at an angle, it'll be good and protected, because you never know how phone can slide out of your hand or slide out of your pocket. Turn it over to the back. You do get a nice cutout for that camera. So if you drop your phone flat down on the camera, you have nothing to worry about. I like that little cutout that they have for the camera there. Is clear. You also get MagSafe capable ring, and it also doubles as your kickstand, so you can do things in this view or you can do things in this view. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.